Welcome, my dear students. How are you? I think you all are well. I am also well. Okay, my dear students, today we will learn how to identify simple, compound, and complex sentence. At first, we will know how to identify simple sentence so that we can find or we can know this sentence is simple sentence. Okay, my dear students, let's start. In spite of, when you will see beginning of the sentence in spite of, then you will think this sentence is simple sentence. Now, I am giving an example for your better understanding. Look this example. In spite of being poor, he is honest. This sentence is simple sentence because beginning of the sentence there is, yes, you are right, in spite of. Next, because of, when you will see beginning of the sentence or in a sentence, the sentence will be, yes, simple sentence. Look, example, because of his illness, he could not go to school. This sentence is simple sentence. There is, yes, because of. Okay, next example, at the time of, when you will see beginning of the sentence at the time of, then you will think this sentence is simple sentence. Look, at the time of, in this sentence, there is at the time of. While you will see in a sentence at the age of, the sentence will be simple sentence. Example, at the age of. Next example, in case of, when you will see beginning of the sentence, in case of, the sentence will be simple sentence. In case of, look, in case of raining, after, in case of, verb will be ing form. Look, another example, without plus verb ing, when you will see beginning of the sentence without plus verb ing, then you will think or you will see the sentence will be simple sentence. Without working hard, you cannot prosper in life. This sentence is simple sentence because in this sentence without plus verb ing, in this sentence verb work, after verb or ending of the verb ing. When you will see by plus verb ing, the sentence is simple sentence. Example, read the example by reading attentively, you will make a good result. This sentence is simple sentence. I think you have understood. Next example, just after plus verb ing. When you will see in a sentence just after plus verb ing, the sentence will be simple sentence. Just after plus verb ing. See, in this sentence, see is a verb, ending of the verb ing form. Next, verb ing, beginning of the sentence or starting of the sentence, when you will see VING, the sentence will be simple sentence. Closing. In this sentence, plus verb. In this sentence, plus verb. Ending of the verb, we see ing form. So, the sentence is simple sentence. Okay, when you will see in a sentence 2 then you will think the sentence is simple sentence. The old man is too weak to work. In this sentence 2 because we are learning how to identify simple sentence. Now we will know how to identify compound sentence. When we will see in a sentence and. Example, he reads attentively and he can make a good result. He reads attentively. This sentence is first sentence. And he can make a good result. This sentence is second sentence. That means there are two sentences here. When you will see between two sentences there is and. Then you will think this sentence is compound sentence. You are right. Okay, my dear students, but when you will see in a sentence but, the man is poor, first sentence, and he is honest, second sentence. Between you will see between two sentences but, then you will think this sentence is compound sentence. My dear students, we are learning how to identify compound sentence. Okay, next when you will see or between two sentences, in this sentence work hard, it's a first sentence and you will not make a good result. Second sentence, between two sentences. Okay, my dear students, we are learning how to identify sentences. We have already learned how to identify simple sentence, how to identify compound sentence. Now, we will learn how to identify complex sentence. Okay, my dear students, when you will see though or although, then you will think this sentence is complex sentence. Read the example. Though he is needy, he is honest. This sentence is complex sentence. Why? Because in this sentence we see though. Okay, next when you will see when in a sentence, then you will think the sentence is complex sentence. Read the example. When it is winter, the guest birds come in our country. This sentence is complex sentence. Next example, since or as or because. When you will see one of them, then you will think this sentence is complex sentence. Look, since he was ill, he could not go to school yesterday. This sentence is complex sentence. I think you have already understood. If or unless. When you will see if or unless, then you will think this sentence complex sentence. Read the example. If you read attentively, you will make a good result. This sentence is complex sentence. Okay, my dear students, when you will see the sentence so that, then you will think the sentence is complex sentence. We eat so that we may live. This sentence is complex sentence because between two sentences we see there is so that. Okay, when you will see in a sentence so dot dot that, then you will think the sentence is complex sentence. Read the sentence, the man is so weak that he cannot move. Okay, in this sentence we see so and that. Okay, the sentence is complex sentence. Okay, my dear students, next, as soon as. As soon as. When you will see the sentence as soon as, then you will think the sentence is complex sentence. As soon as the rat saw the cat, it ran into the hole. In this sentence we see as soon as. When you will see in a sentence as soon as, then you will think the sentence is complex sentence. Now homework. My dear students, now I am giving you some homeworks. You will study or you will practice at home. Okay, my dear students, next identify the following sentences. Though, number one, though Rina is intelligent, she is lazy. Number two, he worked hard but did not shine in life. Just you will have to identify. Number one, which sentence? Number two, sentence, which sentence? Number three, in spite of being old, the man is strong. This sentence, which sentence? Number four, as soon as he saw me, he came running. Number five, since coronavirus is spreading, we should stay at home. This sentence, which sentence? Simple, compound, or complex? Just you will try to identify the sentences. You should study hard so that you may make a good result. This sentence, which sentence? Okay, my dear students, if you want to change from simple to compound or compound to simple or complex to compound or compound to complex, if you want to change from one sentence to another sentence, at first you will have to know how to identify the sentences, how to identify a simple sentence, how to identify compound sentence, how to identify complex sentence. I think after watching the video or after watching the class, then you will be able to how to identify simple, how to identify compound, how to identify complex sentence. Because you all are so brilliant, so active, and more active. Okay, my dear students, today I will say you thank you.